we're doing Operation Integration number 7.
An exercise which brings together several different fire rescue teams and fire departments from different counties and cities.
And then we also have our MEOC, which is a Florida Air National Guard asset here supporting us today. And we have the Northeast Florida Incident Management Team, who's actually bringing up the incident management team out of West Palm Beach. And then obviously we have the CERF-P.
In the past, everyone involved in the exercise would arrive like this.
But our focus today was to be able to utilize the aircraft of the Fish and Wildlife Commission as well as the 111th Aviation.
The teams board the aircraft here at the Camp Blanding Airfield and after a short flight arrive at the South Mount site. Mount, or Military Operations in Urban Terrain, is an entire mock village which was built specifically for training just like this.
All right, guys, our mission is we have some kids lost out in the woods here.
For this portion of the exercise, members of the Florida National Guard CERF-P and Flagler Fire Rescue conduct a wide area search for campers after tornadoes move through the area.
Shift slightly left.
It's important for us to be able to come in together and actually integrate our teams now in the training environment so that when we really do have to come up to an incident, we've done this before.
While back in the village, Marion County Fire Rescue work on their breaking and breaching skills, as members of the Miami Beach Fire Rescue work with CERF-P on rope training.
So this is allowing us to train together and utilizing each other's equipment and working together as a team, but also for them to understand what assets this Florida CERF-P brings to the table.
Reporting from Camp Blanding, I'm AJ Artley for the Florida National Guard. Always ready, always there.
Keep going.